G'day ladies and gents, and welcome back to the Prestige Detailing Studio. This is episode 3 of my Detail Studio garage build. In this episode we'll have a look at how I installed these full rise 3-ton scissor lifts. Always helps to have the correct equipment, so the plan is to use this wall crane to pick up these platforms. I about 400 kilos each, 881 pounds. This is rated to 1500 kilos or 3,300 pounds. So I locked up the slings here. We'll see how we go. Fill them arms. Got it out, but let's try this again. Round 2. Lift in the air now. I just have to tie these bars together. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see if we can get this thing into position. Okay, so I fed the hydraulic lines under through the floors of the PVC pipe under there is about 100 mil, 10 centimeters in diameter. Just enough to get through. If you can get a fatter one in there, I would advise, yeah, maybe 15 mil or whatever the next size up is. Yeah, you see how I'm sweating. It's actually got a push-pull action going on. So let's get onto it. At 10 o'clock, so this is almost taking me 4 hours just to do one lift. But now I know sort of what's going on. I should be able to do that one quite quickly. Let's get cracking onto it. Ah, shit. Well, let's just stuff me up. Damn it. Oh, the wheel fell in the hole. It's not good. It's not good at all. Yeah, I was by myself, you know, I got a few cock-ups along the way, but when they're 400 kilos each, it's just you with a crane and some slings. Yeah, stuff's bound to go wrong. Highly advise you getting a friend to help you. Yeah, it would be a lot easier. It's now about 2 weeks later since I've actually put them in. Had a few issues with the hydraulic line not connecting up back here. Just the crossover pipe was put in the wrong spot. So what do? You know, you live and you learn. So I've just had the hydraulics guy out. He's fitted up all the hydraulic lines now. But now I'm running into another problem. Now the unit itself won't even turn on, so there's something loose in there. I'm going to get an electrician out to have a look. If you're getting value out of this episode, definitely hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and definitely hit bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Done the grinding and looking good. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's flat, smooth, and painted over, it's not going to rust. Colour's not exactly perfect, but you know, it's going to be, the garage door's going to be down, it's going to be light here, it doesn't really notice anything really, so no, I'm happy with it. So we've got the electrician coming tomorrow to look at that box. It's been another week later and I finally got the lift working as it should. I got it going up after there was a loose connection in the box. The down switch wasn't working as it should. It wasn't engaged, it wasn't popping the locks. Found out there was a limit switch on this platform here, that the lower limit switch was not in the right position, so we've got all that working now. So have a look and see how you like it. There you have it, everyone. Up and down, fan-bloody-tastic. Now all I'm going to do is bolt these down to the floor, and I'm going to show you the tools you're going to need. And there you have it. These are the tools that you need. We have a 3/4 inch impact wrench, rotary hammer drill STS. We have a nice 20mm STS drill bit here. Go through steel and all sorts of stuff. Just your stock bog claw hammer. We have 20mm dyno bolts here. These are original bolts that came with the lift, and they're only about a 16mm bolt, so I wasn't too keen. Like the holes themselves are about 20mm, so why would you put a 16mm bolt in a 20mm hole? It makes sense to me, so I went out and bought some nice fat dyno bolts here. That should make it a little bit more secure. So, all right, let's hop to it. All together. tip as well is keep your old spent microfibers for your general household cleaning. That's what they're made for. They're made for cleaning. They're fantastic. So that's it for this episode, guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. There's a button down below you can hit. And also there's a video here you guys can watch next. I'll be seeing you guys on the next episode.